Hey, what's going on? It's Roger. It's been a while since I actually put in a lot of time into my Previa. So one of the things that happened was this mirror, it fell off. You can see the glue came off. I don't know when. It must have been, this was sitting out in the California summer for a couple years as I moved around from my apartment to my house. And I noticed one day the mirror was gone. Um, and so I do have a spare mirror. I mean, I went to the junkyard and got one. So this is right here. But this is it. Taking this out, it showed me how to disassemble this. So I already have started, but what it is that I had to get behind this. There's 4 screws that hold the back of that, and so I had to angle, this, go from underneath here to try to go through here, just to loosen up these 4 bolts, as you can see there. And then once you do that, then this can come out, or this can be manipulated. I don't know about taking it out. I haven't looked at it yet, but this little pin will have to come out and go through there. And so that's what I'm going to do. Let's see, because I think that's what the problem with this is, that I don't know if this broke or what, because that should be connected to the back. Yeah, this is the backing. So I just have to replace this with that. Okay, now I get it. It says this is that centerpiece there. Okay, all right. So anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna do that. All right, so this became more over-engineered than I really thought. So anyways, I just had to place, so the spare mirror that I have, it already has that backing. And compared to the other one, it was just the backing, and I didn't realize that until I tried to put it on. I was like, it's not going through. So anyways, I had to pull that backing off. And of course, these little things right here, I had to put back on. And as you can see, I kind of greased up stuff, but I gotta take those off and put these back on, and then put them on here, which, man, this looks like, I don't know, just like a lot of stuff that I didn't even really think about. So I got to put all that on, do that. I'm trying to think if there's a way for me to take this all off and then just kind of put it together. Yeah. All right, it took a second. Once I figure it out, it's all good. Now, like I said, I gotta angle these so I can put the screws